Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about the latest release from Billie Eilish, and it is Your Turn To. Sorry, I got all my greasy fingers all up on this bottle, but this is what the bottle looks like, and it has Your Turn To on here. Y'all, my hands are so greasy. I just put some lotion on. The bottle design looks really cute, y'all, but I'm always so scared when I take the cap off. I'm scared I'm gonna break it, but this is how you take it off. It's like this, then you can spray it. It probably wasn't the smartest spraying in front of my face like that. But then you put it back on. I'm gonna have to get used to this bottle here because it's still getting me. But I really like it. And the packaging that it comes in, here's what the box looks like. Kind of reminds me of a dice as well. It has like the little dots on there. But anywho, let's go ahead and get right into it. This release is actually surprising because I really hadn't seen anybody talking about it, but I saw the Gossip Closet here on YouTube shared a post about it. I think that was the day before it was officially released, so I was like, okay, that's good to know. I'm glad I saw it. So I ordered it immediately as soon as it came on sale. And this is a 3.4 fluid ounce size, and it's for $90. And right now I think it's only available on the Billie Eilish website, so just go over to there to buy it. But yeah, for $90, I was like, okay, I'm not too mad about it because the price is pretty good. And then for this size bottle, I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and read y'all the notes. So it has top notes of pimento berry, mirabelle plum, and cassis leaves. It has middle notes of fig nectar, black tea leaves, and vanilla orchid. It has base notes of natural vetiver, olibanum resin, and cedarwood Virginia EO, whatever that means. When I looked at these notes, I kind of already figured it was gonna give me the same vibe as like Billie Eilish #2 and Billie Eilish #3 as well. I really can't remember exactly what Your Turn 1, like the first one, smells like. Your Turn, I don't remember what it smells like, but I remember smelling it in the store, and I didn't hate it, but I didn't love it either, so I didn't pick it up. But this one here, I figured it was gonna kind of give me a similar vibe as those. But I saw some of the notes like the berry note. I love a good berry note. You know, I'm not really sure what pimento berry was supposed to smell like. I don't have any plum fragrances in my collection either, but the middle notes kind of caught my attention because I really like a good fig scent. Tea notes sometimes are hit or miss for me, but they're interesting in a scent when I see them. The vanilla orchid, I always love a good vanilla scent. I'm a vanilla girly at heart, and I love like a subtle floral note, but I don't love anything that's like heavily floral because I'm not really a floral girly like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and talk about it. I'm gonna go ahead and preface this by saying, if you're thinking about getting this scent, just know, I'm telling y'all now, this is not a blind buy friendly scent. Because if you go into this scent thinking it's gonna smell anything like Billie Eilish #1, if you think it's gonna be a gourmand scent, don't do that. Don't do that, because it's not. But if you like Billie Eilish #2, if you like Billie Eilish #3 as well, which I have right here, the little red head, the red silhouette, or whatever you wanna call it. If you like those type of scents, you'll probably like this one. But if you're more of a gourmand girl, you're not gonna like this, because this scent right here, it's interesting. I was gonna record this video yesterday, but I was like, nah, I need to sit with this scent a little bit longer because it was doing something interesting to me. Because when I first sprayed it on my skin, like the first whiff of it I was like, I don't know. Then after it settled, after the first like 30 seconds to a minute, I was like, okay, like there's something nice here, because there was something really fresh and fruity in the opening. I believe that's from the nectar that I thought was really beautiful, but it was also slightly spicy and woody, and the combination was just really interesting. But I really did enjoy the opening, but at first I was worried, and at first if I got, I was like, I don't know about this, because I was thinking it smelled pretty similar to Billie Eilish #2, and I was just like, oh, this dry down's gonna get me. But the opening was actually very beautiful, and I wore it again today, and I was like, yeah, I do really enjoy this opening. But when I first wore the dry down, after the first maybe like 3 hours or so, I was like, I don't really like the dry down, because the dry down really kind of reminded me of something super incensey, like incensey and smoky, which I typically don't gravitate toward. And I was like, I don't know about this. I enjoyed the opening, but that dry down after the first 2 hours is just, it kind of smelled like a totally different scent, and I wasn't really expecting that. But if you look at the description of it, it kind of makes sense, to be honest, because the description says it's a bold new evolution of the original. Your Turn 2 is a woody, fresh scent that plays with the contrast of light and dark, which I can really see, because the opening was very much so light, but then that dry down after the first couple hours, it definitely smelled like a very dark evening time scent. Because like the opening honestly reminds me of something you probably wear during the daytime, and then the dry down is like very nighttime appropriate and very masculine. But like the opening, it just is the contrast of it. It's like a very fresh, almost feminine scent. But it's definitely a unisex scent for sure. And then I'm gonna read the rest of the description for y'all too. It says pimento berries and cassis leaves open into fig nectar, black tea, and vanilla orchid, anchored by natural vetiver. This scent stays with you. It definitely stays with you for sure. And I think that vetiver is what was giving it that earthy, woody, almost incensey type of smell, which, you know, I wore it again today. And the dry down now, it does remind me of what it smelled like yesterday, but like it's almost a little more subtle, because at first I was thinking it was something floral, and I was just like, this is confusing me, because the notes in here don't really scream floral at all, but for some reason on my skin it was seeming very floral. But I think that's just, it was the incense note that was like kind of confusing my nose a little bit. But today I actually enjoy the dry down. Like I always tell y'all, when I blind buy a scent, would I buy it knowing what I know now? If you would ask me yesterday, I probably would say I probably wouldn't have bought this knowing what I know now. But today, I think it'd probably be a maybe, because the opening I enjoyed it, like I said. But the dry down yesterday, I didn't really enjoy it. But today, like I ain't gonna say I like it, but I don't hate it. It's like okay for me. I'm not mad about keeping this scent. I do like it. Overall, I probably give the scent itself, I probably give it like a 7 out of 10. Not my favorite scent, and not a scent I'm gonna be grabbing for all the time, but it's definitely something I'll probably wear like for like a special occasion or something. If I'm going out somewhere in the evening time and I want my scent to stand out and be very different, this is what I would go for. Because the one thing I like about Billie Eilish, her scents, they're not very simple. And none of her scents are really predictable either. They all smell very unique. So it's definitely for someone who loves a more unique type of scent. And I really feel like women are going to enjoy this scent. Men are as well. But if you love spicy, woody scents with like hints of freshness, this is gonna be the one for you. And as far as the longevity goes, I'd say you probably get like 5 to 6 hours of wear time with this scent, which isn't terrible. I would say the projection is fairly moderate. It's not a super beast mode scent, but it's not a skin scent either. The projection of this scent is honestly ideal for me. Like it's somewhere between beast mode and moderate, somewhere up in there. I'm gonna have a lot of fun layering with this scent. I don't really know what I'm gonna layer with this scent, but I guess we're gonna figure that out together, because I'm just thinking, like, what would I even want to wear with this scent? If y'all made it to this point of the video, go ahead and drop a green heart as well as just in the day, because I love to know what y'all are wearing. And subscribe while you at it, because I like to smell good and I want y'all to smell good too. But what scent do we want to layer with this scent? To be fair, I really feel like this scent would smell good with Billie Eilish number 3. But I know a lot of people probably don't have this scent in their collection because it was limited edition. So I don't want to make y'all mad. But if you do have this, try these two together. I think you'll enjoy it. And honestly, I kind of do want to layer it with Billie Eilish number 1, because yes, this scent has vanilla orchid in it, but it doesn't really smell like a vanilla scent. And I kind of want to add a little bit more of that gourmand goodness that I love to this scent. I only got a travel size of it, but I could have easily done with a full size box. I actually really do enjoy this scent, because I have a travel size version of it. I don't really grab for it because I forget. I'm forgetting about my travel size scents. So that's my only thing about travel size. I be forgetting about them until I'm going somewhere. But I'm gonna do another spray of Your Turn 2 on my arm. I ain't even gonna put that lid on all the way, because it's getting me. And I'm gonna do 1 spray, 1.5 sprays of Billie Eilish number 1, which is a good vanilla gourmand scent. It's very warm, fall time appropriate. I love it. Okay, but I haven't worn it in a long time though. Ooh. Yeah, I like this. This is definitely more enjoyable for me. Not saying that Your Turn 2 isn't enjoyable on its own, but like that vanilla is just, I love a good vanilla note. And it's not like overpowering Your Turn 2 either. It's not taking over the scent. It just adds a lot more sweetness to it, which I like. So it's sweet, it's woody, type of spicy scent. Like, I like this. Yeah, I would wear this combo out for sure. I'll probably give this combo a 9 out of 10. I like it. I'm gonna have to try that. I like it. All right, I'm gonna spray my other arm now. This time I kind of want to combine it with something that's a little bit more on the, something that's like with a little bit more fruitiness. But what though? Yeah, I really don't know what else I want to layer this scent with. This scent, I feel like this is a scent that's gonna stand out good on its own. Like, you don't have to layer it. Let's layer it with Green Extravaganza from Valentino. Yeah, I was really having a hard time deciding what I wanted to layer it with. Usually when I smell a scent, I automatically know what I want to layer it with. But that's one of them scents that's just, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I like this combo a whole lot more than the first combo. And I really did enjoy the first combo. But this scent, it adds a perfect amount of freshness, which I really enjoy. I like this combo a whole lot. I would give this combo a 9.8 out of 10. Because this is definitely one of my favorite scents from Valentino. Because I'm not the biggest Valentino girly. Let me just say that. It's really nice, y'all. I love this combo. The woody and the spiciness of Your Turn 2, it might just be a little bit too masculine leaning for my nose by itself, but it's not bad. It's just different. I think I would have to get used to it, but adding that green extravaganza on top, I really enjoy that. Okay. This scent makes me nervous. But will y'all be trying Your Turn 2? If so, let me know. If you already tried, let me know how you like it. But Billie Eilish, she did her thing again with this scent. It's very unique, very different, and it probably will release in Ulta soon because it didn't say limited release or anything like that. I don't believe. So yeah, when it gets into the stores, if it does, y'all be sure to go check it out and smell it. But thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all back here for my next video. Bye.